Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to download Left 4 Dead 2 on our PC or laptop. So if you're looking out how to do so, this guide should work for you. So let's get started. So one of the easiest platforms from where you can download it is from Steam. So if you do not have Steam, you can just head over to a browser and directly search for Steam and find this link right here from Steam, and you can install the Steam on your PC, and then once it is installed you can open it on your device. Now once you open up this application on your device, you can directly find a search bar at the top very easily. You just need to head over there and hit enter and you will be finding the results, and the one we are looking for is this one right here, Left 4 Dead 2. So click on this. And once we click on it, here you'll be finding the game. You can look out for the visuals of the game, how it looks, and even the description and the reviews and everything here. Now once you're okay with it, you just need to scroll down. And right now, we have offer available for this game right here. So we have a, I think, New Year offer. So you can just head over and look out for the offer here. And even more offers may be in the future, so you can look out for those kind of things and basically grab it up. Right now we have this game for $1 only, so you can look out for the game and add it to cart. Since this is a paid game, so we need to pay a certain amount for it, and you can add it to cart. And once it is added to cart, you can view your cart and then continue payment. Click on continue to payment, and once it is done, you can just select your payment method, for example PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, etc. and provide in your necessary details, such as for MasterCard we need to provide in a card number, expiration date, even your billing information, provide in those, continue with the payment process, and once it is completed the game should be installed. And once it is installed, you can install the file and start playing on your device. You can launch it, and that's it. So that is it everybody. You may follow this process for that. It is pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.